Yes, my people agree to now. This is saying on a bra be this. This is saying on a bra Moses now be this one. So this is your first small message. We say I won't pass give my people. You understand? Agree to now, my people. This is saying on a bra Moses be this. I your get small message when I won't pass give my those state brothers. You understand? But before I pass my message, I want to make them use this music 30 daily. You understand? Okay. Yes. Wow, those people wey God say call repair Benin, wey God say call repair Idu, more na do am well, more na do am well, more na do am well. I dey pass this message I dey give my brothers for Edo State. Those people wey be say God send come Edo State, make dem call repair Edo State, more na do am well. Election dey come, na make me wan pass this message. I wan pass this message give my Edo State brothers. Okay now. And they pass this message they give my Edo State brothers. This time at the time to build, not be the time to destroy. This time at the time to build, not to destroy. Wayalare wadome baba o. Osani. Okay now. Wawense. Those people wey God create make dem come repair Edo State. Those people wey be say God create wey be say make dem come create Edo State, make dem make Edo State great again. After the British don come destroy Edo State, na those people now wan send this message give. And they send this message dem wan give my Edo State brothers. This time na the time to build, no be the time to destroy. This time na the time to build, no be the time to destroy. Election dey come again. Election dey come again. Oh yeah now. Na so. President this message and I Edo State children now dey send and go give. My Edo State brothers now dey pass this message go give. This time na the time to build, no be the time to hate. Election don dey come again, no be the time to hate. This time na the time to build. Oh yeah now. Solo Vice President. Wow, I say. Many people go say why Soko won't pass message go give Edo State people. Edo State and Isoko also, if you don't know, we on a Biafra. That's why they pass this message go give my brothers. Edo State, they are my brothers. They are my blood brothers. They are not different from who I am. Wow, I say. Okay now. And they pass this message they go give my Edo State brothers. Election don dey come. Election don dey come. They want to start to dey use them again. This time no be the time wey be say na to destroy. This time na to build. This time na to build. This time no be to destroy. Okay now. Wow, well say. All those Edo State, all those my brother for Edo State, all those great ones wey be say they wan build the nation, now they play this song for. You understand? All those ones wey be say that they fight for the freedom of their people, now they play this song for. And they tell una say una thank you for the good work wey be say una dey do for Edo people. The great work wey be say una dey do for Edo State people. Now I dey tell una say una do well. Una do well. Okay. Wow, I say. Okay now. Many people don say wetin make Isoko boy wan come dey talk to Edo people. I still repeat that again, Edo people na my people. You understand? I'm proudly Edo son. You understand? I'm proudly Edo son. If you don't know me, you know. Those people when they go wonder say why Clem wan talk to Edo people. They created Edo State 91. 91, that was when they created Edo State. I'm full data boy. And I dey represent Edo State. I'm still Edo State son. I'm the son of the soil of Edo State. The son of the soil. Okay now. Wow, I say. Oshomole no fit come destroy Edo State again. Oshomole no fit come destroy Edo State again. Make my brother, make them wise, make them wise, make them wise. Oshomole no fit come destroy Edo State again. I dey send this, I wan pass this message and give my Edo State brothers. Wetin make me come out today na because of my Edo State brothers. And this message e dey go to those ones wey be say they dey back home, and those ones wey be say they dey Europe. Those ones wey be say they dey outside the country. Na those ones now I wan still pass the message give. Make dem no fit say na only those ones wey be say dey house now I wan pass the message to. No, I dey pass this message go give those ones wey be say dey house and those ones wey be say dey outside the country. I'm full Edo State son. I still dey talk am, and I'm full Edo State son. Son of the soul of Edo State. Okay now. Alagogun. I dey tell you. Remember we know. Edo State must be free. Edo State, according to my sister Uwa, he say Edo State is the capital city of Biafra. They no dey take am for their hand. One man no fit come dey destroy Edo State. One man no fit come dey destroy Edo State. We are all Biafra, so I have the right to speak to my Edo State brothers. I have the full right to speak to my Edo State brothers. Nobody fit talk say I no get the right to speak to my Edo State brothers. I have the full right. I have the full right. Edo State was created in 91. Delta State was created in 91. So if they wan say who be Isoko person wey wan come dey talk to Edo State people, I get the full right to address my own brother. Why? Because Edo State, they are my own brothers. They no fit divide us. They no fit divide us. Nigeria no fit divide us. I still dey call Edo State people my own blood brothers. There's no difference between Delta State and Edo State. So I have the full right to speak to my Edo State brothers. That's why I come present this message to my Edo State brothers. Say this is not the time to start selling our future. You understand? This one no be the time wey be say we wan come dey sell our future. This time na the time wey be say we suppose to dey build our future. Oshomole no fit come destroy us. election no fit come destroy us. Election for the nation, election for the state, e no fit come destroy us. The destroy wey dem don destroy us, e don too much. You understand? E don reach time wey be say my those state brothers dem go wake up, dem go think. Dem go think. The reason why I come pass this message na because of wetin I see yesterday. That's why I come pass this message. And my those state brothers, they need to wake up. They need to wake up. My those state brothers, una dey quick dey forget. Una dey quick dey forget things. Una dey quick dey forget things. Una dey quick dey forget things. Those ones wey be say that they do well for the state, wey be say that they build the future for the state, una do well, una do well, una do well, una do well. Now una dey play this music for. Now una dey play this music for. Wow, I say. Wow, I say. What? Okay now. I still dey repeat. I don say who be Soko boy wey be say we wan come talk to Edo State people. I still dey repeat. I don say who be Soko boy. I still dey tell them again. I'm not only an Isoko boy. I'm full Edo State boy. If they no know, I'm full Edo State boy. Edo State blood dey run all over my body. Edo State blood dey run all over my body. Nobody fit come and come dey talk say yes, say I no be Edo State boy. Why? Because the Edo State was created in 91. Edo State was created in 91. So who be the person wey go come dey address, okay, why this boy, why this Isoko boy wan come dey talk to Edo State people? I get the full right to talk to Edo State people. Why? Because they are still my blood. The reason why I come out na because of this election wey be say dey come. This election wey be say dey come, I don see am say dem wan use our people take dey kill themselves. That's why I come out come send this message give my Edo State brothers. I dey send this message go give those ones wey be say dey house and those ones wey be say dey outside the country. Now they send this message go give. E don reach time wey be say una go stop to dey sell una future. E don reach time wey be say una go stop to dey sell una future. E don reach time wey be say una go start to dey build the future. Why? Because na only Edo State, na Edo State children na fit build Edo State. Only Benin children na fit build Benin. Only Benin children na fit build Benin. The reason why they pass this message, I dey watch live video yesterday when be say Oshomole come out, e dey do campaign for Izeyamu. E dey do campaign for Izeyamu, and na this same Izeyamu now Oshomole dey condemn. Na this same Izeyamu now Oshomole condemn say e no fit get anything to do with this Izeyamu. Now Oshomole condemn say Izeyamu na criminal. Izeyamu na so he call Izeyamu all kind of name. Now still this say Izeyamu now Oshomole bring come out. Cause say na him wan become the governor. Now him wan become the governor. And when he dey campaign yesterday, na so na see my Edo State brothers. All of them dey surround am and dey shout at Ocho Baba, Ocho Baba. They dey shout at Ocho Baba. Why? Because they dey Oshomole come kill una future. He come kill una future. When Oshomole become labour, when he dey for labour, when they talk say they fight for oil price, they fight for oil price. You know how many times Obasanjo increase oil? You know how many times wey be say Obasanjo increase fuel? You know how many times wey be say Obasanjo increase thing for Oshomole tenure? Oshomole dey talk say they fight for this thing. He comot for that one, comot for labour, come rule una. He no go lead una, he come rule una. Na rule na Oshomole come rule Edo State. Oshomole no enter Edo State come lead Edo State. Na rule na he come rule una. If first tell una so na Edo State boys, everybody stand for Oshomole. They stand for Oshomole, say yes, say na Oshomole na be this, na Oshomole na be this. But when Oshomole become the governor, wetin he do for Edo State? Wetin be the thing wey be say he do for Edo State? Oshomole no get one thing wey be say he do for Edo State, but na this day Oshomole na dey bring person come out again, cause say na the person na wan become una governor. Now this same Oshomole na be person wey be say dey bring the former governor. Now na because say the former governor no dey remit things for am, he don go bring another person wey be say fair condemn, na he go bring come out again say na I wan be una governor. I dey send this same message go give my Edo State brother. You people should stop selling your future. More na dey reason as human being. when Oshomole enter the first tenure, e change, things change. Now so now e begin start to dey destroy dey go. E begin start to dey destroy say e wan renovate Edo State. Tell me the state road wey be say Oshomole do for the state. Which state road dey wey be say Oshomole do for Edo State? There is no state road wey be say they go bring come and say yes, na this state road now Oshomole do for the state. There is no single state road wey be say people go bring come and say na this road now Oshomole do for the state. Oshomole say e dey renovate school. All the school wey be say Oshomole dey renovate, all the school wey be say e dey renovate na whole school, whole school wey be say dey build with mud house, with mud, all those sand, all those ancient, all those mud, this thing, all those red sand. E go paint am, na paint na e dey paint. I go only put zinc paint am. Na be the school wey be say e dey build. Na still this same Oshomole na una don still bring come on, na still dey shout say baba. When una go get sense, I dey send this message go give my Edo State brother. I dey send this message go give my Benin, mostly my Benin brothers. When una go wake up for this slave wey be say una dey sell una future. Oshomole investment no even dey the state. Oshomole carry investment dey go where e go marry put. Oshomole dey carry investment dey go, but you dey come and dey shout say Osho Baba, you dey hail and dey go. Which person future dey kill? Na your own future. Which person future e dey kill? Na your own future. E don reach time wey be say una go think, una go sit down know say these people na use na dey use una. Na use na dey use una. You know how many people become jobless when he was a governor? You know how many people become jobless? How many boys he put for street wey be say till today the boys dem no fit stand up? You know how many boys he put for street? The first thing wey be say take kill boys go graduate finish for university of Benin. They go graduate finish, they no go get work. Boys go graduate finish for university, they no go get work. The next thing wey they go do, they go buy back. Before they go buy back, they go come this start to dey drive back. You can say they hustle, see say they feed their family. You can see say they sustain. Why? Because say the nation no gree give them wetin they go do. So they use that one take dey hustle. But when Oshomole come, wetin he do? He banned bike. He banned bike. That bike wey be say he banned them, he use am take put una for more slavery. He use am take put una for more slavery so that make if a get opportunity. And even before he ban the bike, he first of all bring shirt come out. He say make they go dey buy all this wey they all this shirt wey be say they say dey wey be say Rostefi dey wear. He wan give am, he no even give Rostefi, make Rostefi sell am. Na Agboro na he give say make Agboro dey sell am. He give Agboro say make Agboro dey sell am. If you no wear the shirt, na so that they go carry your bag, they go carry am go slope. They go carry am go slope. You know how many boys dey jobless there? They go carry am go Asoro slope there. Carry am go Asoro, but governor put person Agboro say make e dey sell cloth. Now this same person na dey tell una today say he wan bring person come and make come rule una. When una go stop to sell una future? When una go stop to sell una future? All those people will see. Wetin I dey try to tell una, nobody want to die for anybody wey be say wan enter post. Be Obaseki, be Izeyamu, be anybody, nobody want to die for. These people, they are only there for their own interest. They are not there to build Edo State. They are not there to build the future. They are not there to help the nation. They are not there for anything. They are only there to make their own self benefit. They go carry on and they will give una 1,000, 500. Give una if they too much, they give una 5,000. Una feel say una dey shout the phone, they will show Baba up. Which person future they key? Now your future now they key. They go use you for one day. If they use you for one day, immediately they win the election, they don't throw away you. Immediately they win the election, they don't throw away you. Now you are nobody. If you too much, now police now they'll come to arrest you. And they send this message, go give my Edo State brother. You people should wake up. You people should wake up. Stop selling your future. Stop selling your future. I see boys, mature boys, they gather now. They see the shout of Osho Baba when people say destroyed your Edo State. Osho Baba wey be say he destroy the Edo State, he turn boys to criminals. He make boys frustrate. He make boys frustrate for the state. Now still this Oshomole na dey bring person come give una. Say make the person become una governor. When una go get sense? When my Edo State brothers, when they go get sense? When they go begin start to dey think, when they go begin start to dey realize say these people they no get anything benefit wey be say they wan give to the society. Wetin Oshomole do for the 8 years wey be say he rule? Wetin be the standby thing wey be say he do for the 8 years? But today they gather una together, una dey shout Osho Baba or dey follow am. Una dey shout Osho Baba or dey follow am. He wan bring his Yamu wey be say he don condemn. He wan bring his Yamu wey be say he don condemn. And una still dey shout Osho Baba or dey follow am. I dey tell my Edo State brother, nobody want to die for. Nobody want to die for. No governor want to die for. Nobody want to die for the position. Nobody want to die for. Who's the Oshomole don't bring the pikin or anybody or any of the family come out cause okay make them begin start to go dey do things. I know they talk only about Oshomole. I dey talk about the general people, everybody, any position wey be say person dey fight for. Nobody want to die for. Your life dey more important than that person wey say he dey fight for seat. Your life dey more important than that person wey be say dey fight for seat. Why? Because immediately that person don enter position, he no know you again. When Obaseki wan enter the first turn, wetin he do with Oshomole? They dey eat corn dey waka. They dey eat corn dey waka for road. They dey waka for market say Obaseki. But what about today? Because say Obaseki no remit things give am, he don turn back against Obaseki. Now this person now na dey shout Osho Baba for. The only governor wey be say for Edo State wey be say dey commission ball. Now na dey shout Osho Baba for. The ball wey be say go commission ball today, ball go rush today, the next day ball no go rush again. Ball wey be say one common man dey build. When wey be say people even on people when they talk say they no even get money, everything they dash people, but they dig ball, they dash people. Now governor they come commission with big money, with billions. When my Edo State brother, when una go wake up, when una go know say these people they no get anything meaningful for una. When una go know say these people they no get anything meaningful for una. They go give you 5,000, they go give you 2,000, they go give you 3,000, they go give you 10,000. But these people they collect billions. They collect billions that their pikin no go dey fine. They no go dey fine. The only thing wey they go fly overseas. They go fly overseas. See the hospital wey be say they build Central Hospital. Central Hospital e no finish am. The late Buhari he call commissioner. Late Buhari call commission Central Hospital wey be say e no finish. Even the hospital today, you no fit pay bill. You wey be say you dey shout follow Osho Baba. If you carry your pikin go that Central Hospital, the bill wey they go give you, you no go fit pay the bill. You no go fit pay the bill, but na still this Osho Baba na you dey shout to. Na still this same governor na you dey shout give. I dey tell my Edo State brother, more na wake up. More na wake up. Nobody want to die for. Be Obaseki, be Izeyamu. Nobody want to die for. Nobody, no politician for that country want to die for. Your life dey more valuable than anybody. Your life e dey more valuable than anybody. If they dey talk say your life no dey valuable, and they let you dey know say na kill na dey kill you. Na kill na dey come kill you. No politician, no person for that state. And when e be say dey enter position, when e be say e get anything meaningful for anybody for that state. I dey tell my Edo State brother, God no, na make me come pass this message. Man, una wake up. You people should wake up. You people should start building Edo State instead of selling Edo State. Instead of selling Edo State, you people should start building Edo State. You people should start building Edo State. Why? Because now sell like they sell now. Now sell like they the only thing when people now still they eat. Now this man I call comota for on a mat. The only thing when people now still they feed on a family. Now this man I call comota for on a mat. All the houses where people say this man destroy, all the houses wey be say Oshomole destroy, which houses which place e be say do the road pass? The 8 years wey be say rule na useless. The 8 years wey be say rule na useless. E no get one thing wey be say go boss come and say na this thing na stands for the state. But my Benin brothers today, they come and they see the shout to show Baba. They come and they follow Izeyamu. They come and they want go campaign for. They campaign for anybody. And they tell my Edo State brother, you people should wake up. You people should wake up. You are the one to build Edo State. Nobody will build that for you. The strength wey be say una youth dey use take dey follow all those useless politicians. If una use this strength take come and take united, all those politicians they go run. If we are unite with this strength, all those politicians will be politicians. If boys come out for Edo State today, Edo State wey be say I know, boys come out, how many mopo wan shoot? How many mobile wan shoot? How many wey be say mobile wan shoot for the state? Or how many wey be say the barrack wey dey there, Kenwa barrack, how many they wan shoot? If boys of if Edo State boys come out, but they put una for slavery, they put una for slavery. And they tell me Edo State brother, you people should wake up. You people should wake up. Izeyamu know what to die for. Obaseki know what to die for. Any person wey be say go contest for the governorship election, he know what to die for. Anybody wey be say go contest for the election, he know what to die for. If he wan enter the post, let him enter the post peacefully. You know, if you wan enter the post, why may enter the post peacefully? I dey say this message dey go give my Edo State brothers. You people should wake up, build Edo State. You are the only people that can build Edo State. Nobody fit build Edo State for you. Nobody fit build Edo State for you. The responsibility to build Edo State e dey una hand. The responsibility to make Edo State function again e dey una hand. Sometimes I dey even dey ashamed. Why? Because when I enter the state 92, the first time wey be say I enter the state 92, the way wey the state be 92 no be be now. When I from Delta enter Benin 92, because then I know say yes, sense just still dey enter here somehow. No be as Edo State be, no be so e be now. Una dey kill una state with una hand because of small change. Because of small change, una dey kill una state with una hands. I no want this to dey talk wetin be say the boys and the girls dey do. Why? Because they don't know so una dey betray una sef. Why they no go do am? Oshomole come out, e dey kill Edo State. Why e no go out? She go pack out with she boys say dey run things. He enter Benin because start to dey use Benin boys say dey kill Benin. Why Oshomole no go a village? Why Oshomole no go a village go pack the village people? And they tell me Edo State brother, you people should wake up. You people should wake up. You people should wake up. More na come to una say now una future now na the key. Why? Because these people their investment no dey inside the state. No of Oshomole investment wey dey inside Edo State. No of Oshomole investment wey dey inside Edo State. And they tell me Edo State people, you people should wake up. You people should wake up. My Edo State brother, those one wey be say that they fly APC cap, PDP cap, AIPP cap, all those one I just count now. They discount now. Una dey kill una sef. Why these people dey sit down for inside one room dey chop together? Una dey kill una sef. Why be say these people dey sit down for inside one room dey chop together? You think say Izeyamu and Obaseki dey get problem? Izeyamu and Obaseki no dey get problem. Na you wey be say you dey destroy yourself. Na you get problem. Na you wey be say you wan kill yourself for this election. Na you get problem. For this election wey be say dey come, so wey be say Oshomole dey tell una dey push una dey push so. Ma let you know one thing. Nobody for Oshomole family go die for this election. Nobody for Izeyamu family go die for this election. Nobody for Obaseki family go die for this election. But na you wey be say that they use, na you go die. Na your family na they wan call key. Na your brother, na your sister, na your cousin, na your mama, na your anything wey be say relate to you, na they wan call key. And the most important thing wey they key for you na your future. Na your future na be the most important thing wey be say this people they wan call key for you. And they tell me Edo State brother, you people should think well. This is the time to build Edo State, not to sell Edo State. Stop selling the future of Edo State for change. And they come for those also a say they Europe. Those also a say they dey outside the state. And they come for now. Why? Because now still be the big problem where say those also a say they have they pass through. Una no say yes, we are una dey. Una be una dey. Things dey good for this side. Things dey good for this side. The reason why you want to say you dey Europe, you not fit settle that. I go come, I can tell you. The reason why say you want to dey Europe, you not fit live better life. I dey come, I can tell you. The reason you want to say you dey feel say you dey live good life for Europe. When you come for Edo State, you feel say yes, you dey born people for Europe. They just say after all, I don't born citizen. Now slave you born, I still dey tell you now. I don't need to tell my Biafra brother say anybody wey be say born for Europe. Now slave now e born if you don't know. Now slave now e be say e born. The only place where if you get freedom now if you go home. If you go home now only your home now if you get freedom. And they come for now. So wetin I dey try to talk my just a Brahman I think. You people should think, you people should rethink. Nobody want to die for. Nobody want to die for. No follow Shomole. No follow Izeyamu. No follow Obaseki. Follow your heart. Build your nation. Build your state. Build your state. See Edo State. See everywhere for Edo State don't scatter. Courtesan everywhere for Edo State. Boys they kill each other. You know how many of Edo, if they talk about the population wey die for Mediterranean Sea, now Edo State now many pass. The population wey die for Mediterranean Sea now Edo State, if they say make dem begin start to dey divide as state to state. Now Edo State now many pass wey be say die for Mediterranean Sea. Most people make when Oshomole enter post, not big people take travel. Now boys take travel comot and at that time people really die for sea. 2014 people die. 2015 2016 2017 people die for the place where who dey post the time wey be say who dey post 2014 at the time I just say bro you people should wake up. You people should wake up. You people should stop selling your future for change. They go use una take enter position. When they go use una take enter position, they go come give you change. They go give you gun, they go give you change. When they go give you gun, they go give you change. You come say yes, say everything don't dey okay. Who tell say everything don't dey okay? Who tell you say things don't dey okay? See Edo State don't scatter finish. When they don't say scatter, it don't scatter. Sit your parents that see those also be say they born 1980 something, 1990. The one where the state be there now, so like the state there now. You know they think about the future. You know they think about the children. Enter Edo State, see small children. When they supposed to day school, when they supposed to they do things for school. When they say they're supposed to get future. You go ring road, you go see small people become conductor for ring road. Conductor at that early age, 7 years, 8 years, 10 years be conductor for ring road. Now these people next thing they tell us say more and vote for them, more and vote for them. Now that they gather on the youth, they gather on, they want you to take destroy on more. I dey tell my brother, Oshomole no get better future for you. Obaseki, and see anybody, Obaseki is there, they no get better future for you. If anybody want to become the governor, let her enter there peacefully. If anybody want to be the governor of the state, let her enter there peacefully. Make them vote am. If the people like am, make them vote and enter. No go kill yourself because of anybody. The boys wey don die for election, they dey alive today. The boys wey be say they don put for election, they dey alive today. Maybe na 90 something. When Lucky dey rule. Na koro like this. Now they dey blast bullet. Now they throw away bullet for where be say are dey. The boys wey be say go down for there, where they today? The boys wey be say go down for Lucky Town, where they today? The boys wey be say go down for Osibo Town, where they today? The boys wey be say go down for Oshomole Town, where they today? Una no dey think that one Oshomole they want to give una gunman and take go kill una because of election. Na one day now they want to use una if una no know. If they don't use una one day, the next day una don become counterfeit. That AAC cap wey say una dey put for head, that PDP cap wey be say una dey put for head, that AAPP, all those cap na scan na dey do that dey scan now. Nobody want to die for. If anybody want to become the governor of Edo State, let the person enter there peacefully. If they vote am, may enter, but if they don't vote am, may go sit down for a house back. Nobody want to kill for. Nobody want to die for that state. Nobody. When I talk say nobody want to kill for. Nobody. So I dey send this person go give my Edo State brother. More na stop to sell on our future. More na stop to sell on our future. More na stop to sell our future for 1 naira. More na think about a better future for ourselves. You wey be say you dey sell your future today, you dey one room. You wey be say you dey sell your future today, maybe you manage carry flat. Before you know, your children you go put them for slave. Your wife go born for hospital. Your wife no go fit get money to go pay hospital. Your husband, you wey be say your wife born for hospital, you no fit get money to go pay hospital to claim your wife. You know how much they pay for hospital bill for the state? If you go UPTH, people they fear to go UPTH. People they fear to go specialist. Why? Because of the money when people say that they charge for hospital bill. The money when people say that they charge for hospital bill not be small money. If you put a bed for there, the money when people say they go charge, and this one that they call government hospital. At the time I just say, bro, nobody want to die for. You people should think and stop selling your future. You people should think and stop selling your future. It is time to build Edo State, not be the time to destroy Edo State. The time to build Edo State now, not be the time to destroy Edo State. Then man come for those also if you say they Europe. Now when they Europe, now worse pass. Now when you say they Europe, now worse pass. You know what I say now worse pass? Una see the greatest way if you say they be on a day. Una see the good things wey be say dey where una dey, but una dey deceive the people wey be say dey house. Una dey deceive the people wey be say dey house. I'ma still let una know the life wey be say una dey live for Europe, una no dey live better life. More una know, if una no know more una know now. If una no know more una know now, una wey be say dey Europe, more una no fit say una dey live better life. The life wey be say una dey live no be better life. The life wey be say una dey live no be better life. If any Edo State man come and tell me say he dey live a peaceful life, he dey live a good life for Europe, that person dey lie. That person dey lie. Man no better say na this thing now, they may not be say I come start to dey talk things. Man silent may not be say I come start to dey talk things. No be everything, no be I go talk come out. I for this start to dey talk you, I for don't dey talk everything they come out here. And for you dey talk everything they come out here. The reason why be say you when dey Europe, the reason why the women when be say dey Europe never settle down, now because of those one wey be say dey house. The reason why be say the men wey be say dey Europe never settle down, now because of those ones wey be say dey house. Instead of you to tell them say see the truth, instead of you to tell your Edo State people say see the truth, see wetin dey happen for us, una go dey tell, una go still dey deceive them. Una go dey deceive them. Una go dey Europe, dey live fake life. Una go dey snap picture, dey use social media till dey deceive them. Una go dey Europe, dey live fake life. Boys dey Europe, dey do things. They put their life for risk. They risk their life because of money. Women dey Europe, they risk their life because of money. But when they get the money, instead of them to tell those one wey be say they are, make they replan their future. So make them say, make them dey plan their future. Yeah, they go dey condemn those things wey be say, those evil wey be say they do for us. They'll decide them. They go decide the evil wey be say they happen for us. Instead of you to tell your people say see wetin dey happen, see wetin dey happen, you go dey support the evil wey be say dey happen. Why you wey dey Europe, why you go settle? When you be say the small money, when you be say you supposed to take settle yourself, when you be say you supposed to take gather yourself, when you be say you supposed to take do things for yourself, tell them manage yourself for here. Instead of you to tell them say see wetin dey happen, you go send that money go give them. Why you no go complain say you send money go give your brother no build house for you? You people dey complain say I send money go give my brother chop my money. Why your brother no go chop your money? When you dey see the truth, you no gree tell your brother say see the truth. Why your brother no go chop your money? Why your family no go chop your money? when e be say you dey see the truth, your family dey darkness for house. Your family dey suffer for us. You know say your family dey suffer for us. I dey talk to those also wey be say dey Europe. Now the boys and girls now dey talk to you. Girl, you go enter, you know wetin you dey do till dey get money. You man, you know wetin you dey do till dey get money. May no be say I call dey blow everything dey come out for you. Dey blow there dey come out. I dey tell my Edo State people, you people should wake up. This is the time to build Edo State, not the time to condemn the state. Stop selling Edo State future. If the state good today, you wey be say you dey Europe, you go live your normal life. People wey dey house, they no go call you say Osaze, this thing, or they'll call your name, anybody, any name at all, say see as things dey now, abeg send me money. Send me money. If the country good, if Edo State good, you wey be say you dey Europe, you no go send money go Edo State. You no go think say you wan send money go give your mama or your papa or your brother or your sister. If the state good, but you today dey talk say the state no good, you still dey so dey talk say see wetin instead of you to condemn wetin dey happen for the state. Sometimes mostly those also be say they dey Europe when they dey talk good about this man Oshomole. Oshobaba. No, now worse pass. If you come and say your brother chop your money, you come and say your sister chop your money, he deserve to chop the money more than that. Why? Because your people dey into darkness, and you know say your people dey into darkness. You know fit dey say still wetin dey happen. But meanwhile, now you go come and you come see dey complain say they chop your money. Why they no go chop your money? When your people dey live in darkness, why they no go chop your money? When your people hungry dey kill them for us, why they no go chop your money? When your people they no fit drink good water, they no fit go better school, they no fit do anything good. Why they no go chop your money? You go come and you go say that which money that they chop. You know, see, if the suffer wey dey Europe never tire you, continue to dey tell them say wetin the people dey do for us good. Abi you think say na because the government give you house? Because the government give you as you dey feel say the life wey you dey live say na better life. You know say those models that they talk say yes say na you know see I don let dey tell people say the time of slavery 19th century those time of slavery na they call dey carry us. You understand? They go come Africa carry us as slave come Europe, but this time na we dey bring ourselves as slave. Now we dey bring ourselves as slave. If people no know, most people they no get this words. Those time now they come carry our fathers. They go come Africa, they go buy our fathers as slave. They go change it. They go carry they come Europe, carry they go up, carry they go America, carry they go anywhere where people say they won't go. But this time now we dey bring ourselves, come give them as slave. Boys wey be say dey Europe, which kind life dey live? Enter Italy, see as boys dey live useless life for Italy. These boys dey live useless life for Italy. Enter Germany, the same thing. Enter France, the same thing. Edo State people dey full everywhere. People go only dey talk say clear. Why this boy dey talk to Edo State people? And they say na Isoko. I still dey let you know one thing. I'm not only an Isoko boy, I'm still fully Edo State boy if you don't know. Because Edo State was created in 91. Edo State, they created Edo State 91, so I have nothing to do with Edo State. I have so many things to do with my brothers. Why? Because Edo State, they are my brothers. They are my blood brothers. They give us Delta State. What is Delta State? What is Delta State? They divide us. They call divide us. They say, no, let's give these people Delta State. Let's give them. You can't tell me today, say I'm a Delta man. Which kind of dirty Delta man? I don't let the talk and say I'm a proudly Soko boy. You don't ever hear say I'm proudly Delta boy. What be Delta boy? What be Edo boy? I'm fully see when I dey talk say I'm proudly Soko boy, I'm proud of myself. I can never say that I'm proudly Delta boy. What be Delta boy? Delta wey be say they create 91. My age pass Delta age. My age pass Delta age. So wetin person dey call no be me. My mother no fit give me name finish, somebody else go call dey give me name. Impossible. My father no fit give me name finish, somebody else go call dey give me name. Impossible. And they tell my Edo State brother, those also be say dey Europe, you people should stop deceiving those also be say dey house. Now deceive wey be say una dey deceive dem na make una wey be say dey Europe una never settle. Now the deceive wey be say una dey deceive those ones wey be say there na make you dey see say you wey be say dey Europe you never settle. You know you wey be say you dey off cap wey be say you no dey cap, you know it dey pay your strength. You wey be say government, you know how many Edo State boys wey be say they dey street for Europe. Many people wey be say they no get house for Europe. But now next thing they support the evil wey be say dey happen for Edo State. Una go enter social media, dey snap picture for social media. Maybe una come and say get 20 euro or 30 euro or small money instead of una to use that money for una sef. When una people no dey well for us, when una no go sell una money go give them for us. When una no go sell una money go give them for us. At the time Edo State brother, you people should wake up. Now una responsibility to build Edo State. All those governors, nobody come build Edo State. All of them they came to steal for Edo State. They came to steal for Edo State. They use una anyhow they like. They use all those way they holler out those governors. And they tell una now be the problem when we say una parents still they pass through for that state. If you go Edo State today now so tears now you go share. If you go Edo State today now so tears now you go share. They don't make everybody become jobless. They don't make everybody become lifeless. They don't make boys become lifeless. You know how many boys they graduate for university for Edo State? How many Edo State university they graduate? You wait till they happen now. Before the boys graduate, you know how many boys, innocent boys that they keep for Ekpoma? You know how many innocent boys that they keep for Ekosodi? Ekosodi now, every time that they keep people for Ekosodi. They don't use court to destroy Edo State. Why they not go use court to say destroy now? When say the people want to now they put for seats, those people they are evil. The people when now they fight for saying now they want to become una governor, those people they are evil. They don't have anything meaningful for now. And they tell me Edo State brother, now responsibility to build Edo State. Nobody can build your home. No papa they born pikin they throw away pikin give another person may go build. If you born pikin you give another person your pikin anything when your pikin they pass through now you cause am. You ain't be say you born, you ain't be say you give woman belle, the woman call born finish, you collect the woman pikin for the woman and go give another person maybe say they take your anything when be say that pikin they pass through now you cause am. And they tell me I just say brother, you people should wake up. You people should wake up. Mostly those ones wey be say dey Europe, stop deceiving those ones wey be say dey house. Those ones wey be say dey house, they deserve to live a better life the same way wey be say they live a better life for Europe. Even to say the truth of the matter say now those ones wey dey Europe now they even suffer pass the one wey be say dey house. Go Italy make you go see wetin boys dey do for Italy. Go Germany make you go see wetin boys dey do for Germany. Go France make you go see wetin boys dey do. Go Spain make you go see. You know Edo State they full everywhere. Right now as both of us dey talk, they are selling Edo gas in Libya. They sell Edo State, they sell una children for Libya. Una king no fit talk, una governor no fit talk, una wey be say dey as instead of una, even the ones wey be say dey Europe, they no fit talk say see wetin dey happen. They still dey shout Oshobaba, they still dey shout Obaseki, they still dey shout Izeyamu. Meanwhile, the ones wey be say their life dey more important, they dey somewhere now. You know how many people, na only God na know whether this one wey be say I dey hear say they collect people kidney for Libya. You know how many Edo State people wey dey Libya wey be say they pass through that process now. At the time Edo State brother, you people should build Edo State. I'm calling on Edo State youth. You people should build Edo State. It is your responsibility to build your state. Oshomole no get anything to contribute for Edo State. Oshomole no get anything to contribute. Izeyamu no get anything. Obaseki, let me tell Obaseki everything. None of them get anything to contribute for Edo State. If anybody want to become the governor of Edo State, let the person sit and let the person sit. Make they vote for him. If they vote for him, if he become the winner, let it become. If he not become the winner, let it go home. If somebody they get meaningful for the state, get real trust, or maybe he get something for the state, maybe say won't contribute for the state, why the person go give you gun? Why you go give you God say may you go kill your own fellow Edo State boy, may you go kill your own fellow Edo Benin boy, may you kill your own fellow Isha boy, or may you kill your fellow Awushi boy, may for enter position. Why this person go give you gun, may you kill your own fellow person, may for enter position. Any person wey give you gun, may you take keep person, the person no get anything meaningful. If this person get something meaningful, he no go give you gun. You know how many boys run enter Libya road because of these things? Because of Curtis, Edo State, the boys in Edo State, all of them they don't finish. They don't kill Edo State. When they don't say kill, they don't kill everything finish. At the time Edo State brother, mostly those also be say they Europe, you no go fit settle as long say you know they tell those also be say they as truth. You think say na be 50-50 euro when you dey sell it, call you this out to the greet give us as small thing, give Adesu as small thing, give this one small thing. You think say na that money na you dey make them better? You wey be say you build house for Edo State, you dey Europe, you no able dey sleep one room. You no able dey sleep one room. You wey be say you dey farm say you dey Europe, say yes I dey abroad. Where you dey stay for abroad? If Edo State good, say yes Edo State good, with the small money wey be say you don gather for Europe, you go back, you go live for the state. We dey Europe na suffer, now we dey suffer. If anybody talk say na enjoy like dey enjoy for Europe, the person dey lie. Nobody wey dey Europe wey be say dey enjoy. Summer time na suffer, winter na suffer. Which time you wan tell me say you dey enjoy? Abi no be the Europe wey I dey, no be the things wey be say I dey see. You dey another man country, they fit deport you at any time, they fit carry you go back at any time. You know how many people dey fear deport for this state? At the time I just stay bro, why? Because now make me pass this message. Election dey come on and see, nobody want to kill for, nobody want to die for. Who wan win, may win. If they vote Obaseki, may they vote am. If they vote Izeyamu, may they vote am. Nobody deserve to die for this election. Nobody deserve to die for this election. Nobody deserve to carry gun for this election. Ochomole no deserve to speak for this election. I still dey tell you, most boys wey be say, most innocent people wey die for Libya sea, wey die for this military sea, na because of Ochomole na dey take die. Most people wey because 2014 people die well, 2015 people die well, 2016 people die well. You know the population of Edo State wey be say dey dey military sea. That time who dey rule that, who dey position, no be Ochomole dey position. At the time my brother say you people should wake up. At the time I just say bro, you people should wake up. Nobody deserve to die for that place. More na stop to the sound of future. More na stop to the sound of future. All those people wey be say that they carry on at the waka. See, as I dey here, so I no dey fear death. Who wan carry my life make collect? I no level. If I die today, I no die tomorrow. If I die today, I no die tomorrow. So I get the full right to talk to my brothers. I be the thing say anytime I see my Edo State brothers, I see say una dey suffer, or maybe I see una for street for Europe here, where be say I dey, I see say una dey suffer, una think say I dey happy. I go see my Edo State brother for Europe here, he dey suffer for road, think say me dey happy. You know how many people no even get house for Europe? How many Edo State children wey be say they no get house for Europe? Now you think say na by to use plus? Na by to use plus? Say yes, my pikin dey Europe. You think say everybody wey dey Europe na dey Europe? Shoot get sense, shoot get sense, na so na Europe be. People dey wey be say they get house, wey be say they get mansion for house, they no fit go house, but na still the same people na dey deceive people wey be say dey house. At the time I just say bro, you people should wake up. You people should wake up. Nobody want to die for. If Obaseki wan win the election, may him win. If Izeyamu wan win the election, may him win. I'm not against anybody, but wetin I dey let una dey know say nobody want to die for. Nobody want to carry gun for. Nobody want to carry gun for this election. Nobody. No say make carry gun. Nobody. And those also be say dey Europe, I still dey tell una. Now that be the big problem wey be say those also be say they have dey pass through. You think say the 50 euro wey be say you dey go hustle, they say go give them, say that be their problem. You think say the 50 euro wey be say you dey Europe, you know how many, see man no be start to dey talk. I no want dey talk, make no go be like say I call dey talk some kind things. Why? Because wetin una dey do, una wey be say una just dey Europe now, na worse pass. I been na the men wey be say they dey send their own wife dey go outside. Married man for Europe go send him wife go outside. Edo State boy for that matter. If they say woman wey woman go hustle come, una go send the money go give una people for back. Una dey deceive una people just say my pikin dey abroad. You wey be say dey abroad, why be say you go back to the country? Why you not stay the country? I dey talk to one my brother one day about Biafra. At last say brother, na Biafra na be the only hope. He dey tell me say see. Now say brother, I no lie you. Me as I dey here so, Europe don tire me. Person get money for us, he no fit go stay house. Person get house for us, he no fit go stay house. The boy say no be like that. He say as he dey there, say he get everything. Now say man let you know what here, whether you like it or not. As long you are in Europe, you are a slave. I tell her say as long you are in Europe, you are a slave. How many years you dey go live for house? You go enter Europe, you go stay Europe for how many years? You go house, go stay there for maybe 1 month. You travel, you say I don go Africa, come back. Your own home wey be say you suppose to stay more than. You go there, you go stay 1 month. You go house, you dey Europe, you know they use generator. You go back to your people, you go dey use generator. Instead of you to tell your people, say see wetin dey happen, see the good thing wey be say dey come the country. Now you wey be say you dey Europe, now you see dey stand, see dey defend say make dem no be. You come and say my people chop my money. Why dem no go chop your money? Why you go send money go house? Why be say your people go build house for you? When be say your people dey enter darkness? When be say your people no dey live for good life? When be say they no dey get good water? They no get anything good. Your people they no fit go hospital wey be say maybe something happen now. You know how much they charge them for hospital? You know how many people they run leave their wife for hospital because of money? You know how many lives don die for hospital because of money? People no dey fit pay hospital bill. And me for Edo State now they tell you, if you go UPTH, if you manage come out for UPTH, you thank your God. If you go specialist, you manage come up for specialist, you thank your God. But you dey Europe where be say you dey, you know they pay money. Now only your card now you go carry go there. Europe they go treat you free. If they too do, they go drink small blood come up for your body, but they go make sure say they treat you. But your people go back home, your people they not fit go hospital. Your mama they sick, your papa they sick, your wife no get what to wey be say maybe una no get money. Person wey be say dey one room, wey be say wife dey point of death. You know how many people see? You wey be say you dey Europe, when you dey condemn say when you dey condemn the things wey be say the great thing wey be say dey come meet your people. If your wife wan born with operation for Europe, how many times you don carry money go pay the governors? How many times you be say your wife born with operation say you go pay hospital bill for the governor or for the hospital? But Edo State, if they wan do operation for Edo State, you know how much? You know how many pregnant women don die for operation for the state because of money, no money. People, you know how many people don frustrate for the state? I dey tell my Edo State brother, you people should wake up. You people should build Edo State. Stop selling the future of Edo State. You when you say you born for Europe, you think say that better life now your pikin wan live for Europe. Even the Europeans, most of them they are wayward. Even the Europeans, most of them they are wayward. We dey see them. You dey enter train station, you go see people for train station. You go see white man for train station, you no get house. Now you come to say your pikin come dey secure. I dey tell people the day when Europe go red all the black wey dey Europe they go throw away them. If you no know. You when you think say you dey born pikin for Europe, they think say yes I don born citizen. I don born citizen. When Europe go red they go throw away all of una go back. They go deport you, deport everybody. That darkness wey be say you put your family, your children go stay that darkness. You think say government give you house, you think say you don dey live a better life. You think say government give you house for Europe, instead of you to encourage your people for back home, instead of you to see the future for your people, you dey kill the future. I still dey talk am, una one dey complain say una people dey chop una money for back home. They never chop am reach. They go chop una money, they go frustrate una for Europe. You know how many of una wey dey wey be say una no fit go house? Many Edo State people, I'm not talking about only Edo State, including Delta people. And they talk about the full country. Many dey wey they no fit go house. Why? Because they are frustrated. They no get anything for home, they no get anything for abroad. They dey waka for Caritas house, Caritas to Caritas, Caritas to Caritas. Because say they dey use +3, they dey fall say they dey abroad. Not be everybody wey dey abroad. No, I see for those people wey dey say man let una know one thing. Man no see, man no allow we wey dey Europe dey deceive una. Not be everybody wey dey abroad na dey abroad. Man just let you know one thing. Abroad no be heaven. Not be everybody wey dey abroad na dey abroad. Some people they no dey abroad as much they talk to. Some people for abroad they no get house. Some people for this abroad wey be say we dey so they no get where they sleep. I mean your Edo State brothers now they talk. Your Edo State sisters now they talk. They no get house. So na train station they sleep. Train station. So those ones wey be say dey Europe, if they tell una say na so na everything dey, see man let you know what, we know the level. I no wan begin start to dey call things. Somebody go tell you say I dey France, my husband dey Germany. Wetin wife dey do for France? Wetin your husband dey do for Germany? You no go ask am. I travel go ask one my cousin dey tell me say he say my brother dey Spain. He say but now e be like say him wife go Germany. Now he just tell me say as he just talk, I know wetin I tell am. I tell am say brothers no worry, I know everything. They no dey tell me the story. Why? Because I know the story. I know the story. No allow anybody for Europe deceive you. Europe too, people dey Europe wey dey don find. I dey send this message give my Edo State people wey dey house now. Na my Edo State people wey dey house now I wan tell this thing. People wey dey Europe, man let una know one thing. Most of them una live better life pass them. Even though say una dey to darkness. Even though say the country, the governors for the state they kill una for that place. Most of the way dey Europe, they know they live better life, but they know they tell una truth. Most of the way dey Europe na cloth na they pick they wear. They pick cloth they wear, cloth shirt they pick and they wear. They throw dirty cloth that they must it. I don't want this start to dey talk. I don't want they talk. I don't want they talk. All those social media they just dey snap the live video because say so this thing wifey dey everywhere. Because say they get wifey for road, because say free internet dey, they just dey tell say na better thing. I no lie you. Most of us wey dey Europe na fake life na we dey live. Fake life, man no just lie you. The better life wey be say we dey live na be that money wey be say we send go house. We just send money go out, but Europe wey we dey na fake life. I dey tell una. Forget say we dey Europe na fake life. That's why I dey tell una say na only Biafra na be the only solution. Nigeria no get anything to offer una. Nigerian mentality don enter there. That's why I say they no fit get any better thing. The message I dey pass am give my Edo State brother. Why? Because na dynamic come pass message give. Nobody want to die for. May una unite, may una build una state. May una unite, may una build the state. Edo State is a great state, may una know. One person no fit dey conquer the state. For one person to conquer the state, may una run the person through no level. Anybody wey wan conquer Edo State, may una run am. E better pass say evil die than say good dey die dey go. That court is full the state. That court is through the state. And the thing wey they say they kill Edo State now I wan send this message give my Benin people and Isha people. Not if you divide you now. All those ones wey dem just dey talk say Benin and Isha no be one. All those ones are fin trick. Benin and Isha they are complete one. They no get relationship. They are brothers. They are sisters. They are family. There is nothing like relationship between Benin and Isha. There is nothing like relationship they relate. No, they are all family. The full Edo State, I'm Mani Soko man, and I still dey talk am. I still dey proud of my Edo people. Why? Because Edo State was created in 91. I was once Edo man. If you don't know, Edo State was, most people they don't know. Say Edo State was created in 91. Edo State, they give Edo State 91, and 91 and the name of Edo State. And me, I was born before 91, so nobody get the right to tell me say I no be Edo State son. I'm the full son of Edo State. I'm the full son of the son of Edo State, and I have the right to speak for my Edo State brothers. I get the full right. Edo State na my home. Edo State na my land, and I get the full right to tell my brothers the truth. See, man, I wake up. Man, I wake up. Those who say be say they are always they come and say they get problem. The thing no dey tire una. The thing no dey tire una. Sister, I believe you. Forget Benden, who be Benden? I no say they call us Benden. I'm full son. I love you, sister. Allah, I love you, sister. You know say my love for you, they know they can't have finish. They know they can't have finish. So wetin I dey try to talk? The call wey be say they call and say brother send me money, sister send me money, sister send me money. Your people dey say sister send me money. Na road work now you dey go do, dey go send your people money. You go see, I no wan talk, I no wan dey talk all those places. You understand? Because as I dey so I no wan dey talk all those places. Wetin I dey try to tell una say nobody life want to take. If Ize-Iyamu wan become the governor of the state, let am become the governor a peaceful way. If they vote Ize-Iyamu to become the governor, let am be governor. If they vote Obaseki to become governor, let am be governor. If they vote anybody wey be say they contest, let am be governor. I still dey tell una, Oshiomhole no get anything meaningful for una. Oshiomhole no get anything meaningful for una. Oshiomhole na destroyer. I dey talk see, who wan take my life make take am no level. Man no dey die 2 times. Na once that man dey die. And my joy say if I die today, I no go die tomorrow. No level. I get the full right to talk to my Edo State brother. Time to go back to the root. Time to go back to the root. Time to build the state. Time to build the state. You wey be say you dey Europe, wey be say yes, you manage come Europe cross Mediterranean Sea. You know wetin you pass through for Mediterranean Sea. You see people there for desert. You see people dey there for Libya. See, those one wey dey Europe I still dey talk am. If you dey complain say your people dey chop your money for house, they never chop am reach. Until you start to dey tell them the truth, they go dey chop your money. They go dey chop your money. So things I go even dey talk to my brother, tell them say go back to your history, go and search your history. Why dey destroy us today? Why dey destroy us today? When e don reach the time of election, they go call us together, they go say we be one, but after election they go start to dey share us. Isha people they are not Benin, this thing people they are not this thing. They go start to dey share us. When e don reach time of, after a time of election, they go start to dey share us. They go dey share us nonsensely. But before election they go dey talk say we be one. But once election don finish, they go say we no be one. And they tell my Edo State people, you people should wake up and build your state. Nobody deserve to die for. People wey dey give una gun, say make una go dey fight for this election. Why they no give their family gun? Why they no give their family gun? See, I wan talk to somebody, and I believe say go play this video or person go tell am the message. Kabaka, I know say you na chairman, you are still my brother, I still dey talk am. You are my brother. Na you na Oshomole dey use. Oshomole dey use it take dey destroy your people. Oshomole dey use it take dey destroy your children. Oshomole dey use it take dey destroy your future, because na your children na be your future. You carry your children go Canada, no be say they are Canada. When the Canada go red, they go pursue your children come Edo State. When Canada go red, they go pursue your children come Edo State. And they let you dey know one thing. Let your name stand for good, not for evil. Let your name, you get the power now. You wey be say you get the power now, fit dey mobilize boys for Edo State. Why you no mobilize the boys to build the future of Edo State? Why you dey separate people? Why you no mobilize these boys to build the future of Edo State? You come out, you dey sing say Obaseki no good, Obaseki. If Obaseki no good, why you no mobilize the boys to build Edo State again instead of building another corrupt people? Why you no more see the money wey dem dey give you now? If you die, you no go collect that money go grave. If you die, that money you no go collect am go grave. If you no know, the day you die, that money you no dey carry am go grave. Now people wey see the day when man wan die, just the same way the day when man enter this world, no man know. You understand? When they conceive man, the day when be say they get man belle, na more than I tell papa say I'm pregnant, now they take conceive you. The day when you wan die, nobody go tell you say you wan die. Even your death ever self, you dey the way say yes you go die that day, but your death never reveal am to you. Now when you dey alive, why you no mobilize boys take build Edo State? Why you dey work for this evil man Oshomole? Why you dey work for this evil man, person wey be say e no get any good thing wey be say e do for Edo State? This man no get one good thing wey be say you come and say na this thing na Oshomole do for Edo State. But today you dey work for Oshomole, you dey sing for Oshomole, you dey bar for Oshomole. Person wey be say e investment no dey the state. If another person come out, I wan let you know one thing. Your brother abi your cousin abi your Bobizwa reign before you reign. Where is Bobizwa today? They no dey hear am again. Na your name. Godi Edosa reign before Bobizwa reign. Where Godi Edosa, they no dey hear am again. Wetin I dey try to tell you say life na turn by turn. You no go reign forever, but you fit lay good legacy wey be say your name no go die for the state. There are people wey be say their name no fit die for the state. There are people wey be say their name no fit die for the state. Why you no be among those people wey be say their name no fit die for the state? I dey ask you this question. Why you no wan be among those people wey be say their name no fit die for the state? You get boys full the state. I fit tell say the population of boys wey be say dey the state right now you get the highest population of boys. Why? Because na you na dey use now. Why you no fit build the future of Edo State? Now wey be say the key to build the future dey your hand. Instead dem dey give you gun now make you take go kill an election day. Wetin be the joy wey be say you get wey be say you dey kill Edo State pikin, your own brother, your own sister, your own cousin? You carry gun, person from another place come dey kill you dem. I dey tell my Edo State brothers, you people should wake up. You people should wake up. Stop selling the Edo State future. Stop selling Edo State future for coins. I no wan talk, go elders, because all those ones still get their own. But I don't let they talk to the youth, because the youth and now they be the giant of the state. And those state youth, the people where they kill today, now so youth now they kill. Let's build Edo State. Let us build Edo State. Back to those also if you say they Europe. Stop deceiving those ones at home. Stop to deceive all those also in their house. The suffer when you dey suffer for Europe, e never tire you. The fake life wey be say you dey live for Europe, e never tire you. You dey France, you dey Italy, you dey Germany, you dey Norway, you dey this thing, which country? Spain, you dey maybe Berlin, this thing, Belgium. You dey Sweden, you dey Switzerland. You know how many boys for Edo State wey be say they dey sleep for what they call this place, Belgrade for Switzerland. Edo State boys they dey sleep for cemetery for Switzerland. You think say na everybody wey dey Europe na dey Europe? You people should stop to sell the future of Edo State. Try to build the future of Edo State, and now na be the only time wey you fit build am. If you die, nobody go build am. Now you fit build am. Let us wake up. Let us wake up. Time to build Edo State. Time to build Edo State. I still dey repeat am. They go say why so-called boy dey talk to Edo State people. I dey laugh. You know why I dey laugh? Because I'm full Edo State son. I be full Edo State son. I'm not body fit take am comot from my body. E dey all over my blood. I'm full Edo State son. Because Edo State was named 91. If you wan know the name wey they call us, we were called Bende. If you don't know, Delta and Edo State were called Bende, and Edo State, both of them, Edo State and Delta State, they were one. They divide us 91. You can't say, well, I go talk to Edo State brothers. Edo State, they are my brothers. So I have the full right to address my brothers. I still dey tell now. The future of Edo State, e dey we hand. E dey my hand and e dey your hand. Nobody fit run am. Na me and you fit run am. Na me and you fit run am. Make we stop. Make all those people call it. See, most people wey be say they dey destroy Edo State today. If you go check their origin, yeah, be say they are far come from. Most of them they are not from our region. Most of the people wey dey destroy the state, go check who be their grandpapa, their great grandpapa. They are not for our region. Maybe na all those mixed blood, all those mixed blood. I be you tell me say na the royal highness wey dey the state now they come for our state. See, I know what this start to the talk. The only thing when I want talk, make my brothers make them wake up. Stop selling the future of the Edo State children. You wey be say you dey Edo State now, wey be say you dey ring road, you dey see these little children wey be say dey ring road. You see little pikin dey sell pure water. Little boy wey be say suppose dey school dey do conductor. Little children dey dey mechanic workshop dey learn work for mechanic. They dey learn vulcanizer. Vulcanizer different work, different things that they do. Just to put food for their table. At 10 years boy, when pikin start to dey look for money, 10 years pikin when start to dey look for money, before the pikin reach 15 years, wetin the boy wan be? Future don die. Pikin when start to dey pursue money for 10 years, once he reach 15 years, the future don die. Why? Because the pikin fit become armed robber. If pikin fit discover money, wetin remain? I dey tell my Edo State brothers, I dey tell the youth, you people should stop selling Edo State future. Let's build Edo State. We no fit run from Edo State. Edo State na our home. Edo State na our home. We cannot run from Edo State. Edo State na our own home. We wan visit with dey Europe. Let me tell you, Europe is not your home. If you don't know, Europe no be your home. Europe no be your home. If you think say Europe na your home, you if you say you born pikin for Europe, you say I don born citizen. The reason why be say the Europeans dey collect your pikin, ma tell you, they wan continue that slavery. If you no know, the only reason why France dey keep black na to keep on to slave Africa. The only reason why, because if the white for France they no fit speak, the black for France they go speak. If the white for France they no fit speak, the black for France they go speak. The only reason why black Europe dey keep black na to continue slavery. I dey tell my black brothers all over, this message na for the whole of Africa. The only reason why Europeans they keep your children, the only reason why they keep your children na to continue slavery. Why? Because they see us saying na Africa na built America. So they know say the only way na to continue to dey hold your pikin. You if say you born pikin for Europe, you say I don born citizen. Ma tell you, I still dey tell you na slave you born. Me if I born pikin for Europe, I'll take am whether with force or anything, no level. I know see, but you born citizen, you born slave, except say you take your pikin back to your home. You go born pikin for Europe, the pikin go tell you say like you born pikin for Italy, but pikin go tell you say I'm from Italy. Your black pikin go tell you say in for Italy, you go deny papa place, but you go carry this European go carry pikin go back to your country. You go give birth for that place. If pikin go tell say I'm from Italy, he go tell you say I'm from Italy. He go tell you say I'm from Italy. See, I still dey tell my Edo State brother, you people should wake up. Wake up, let's build Edo State. Wake up, let us build Edo State. Now only me and you fit run am. Nobody fit run am. And the reason why they send this message na because of the election wey dey come. Nobody want to die for. I no say make you no vote. You are free to vote, but don't vote with violence. If na Ezeyamu na win, let am become the governor. If na Obaseki win, let am become the governor. No let Oshomole deceive you now. Oshomole is only there to deceive you. You wey be say you dey house, if Ezeyamu win today, Oshomole don deceive you. The next thing you go carry phone, you go call your brother wey dey Europe. Brother things dey rough o, send me arrow. You wey be say you dey Europe, wey be say you dey support Oshomole, you go still send out the money. Meanwhile na train station na you dey sleep. Meanwhile you no get house, na Caritas na give you house. Meanwhile na you know, I no wan talk. Meanwhile na level na you dey sell. Meanwhile na level na be say you dey run for street. I no wan dey talk. No be everything no be that dey talk for here. The most important thing, I still dey tell una, let us build the state. Let us build Edo State. Na only we fit build am. Nobody fit build the state. Nobody. Now this small message now I get to pass give my Edo State people. Now this small message now I get to pass give my Edo State people, because na only the message when I get be that, and I don pass I give them. So before I go I wan play this song for my people. You know say today I no come talk our matter based on say na Biafra matter I don't let dey carry me, but ma play this music for my Biafra brothers. I agree to now. Based on I wan use this music. I dey tell you, ọmọ dike one without him as in Adikalu there is no me. Agree to now my people. Ọmọ dike one of Biafra land. I dey tell you. Oh hey Biafra, IPOB one family. I see the talker, they no dey deny am. Edo State is full Biafra. I according to my sister Owa, Edo State is the capital city of Biafra. They know they deny am. You understand? They know they deny am. Nnamdi Kanu, Ọmadike one of Biafra, na Nana get leader. Nnamdi Kanu. I will tell you. Mazi the Great. There's no other great one than Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. There's no other great leader like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They're not a general. They are Madike one of Biafra. They call am Madike, but me I they call am masquerade. The reason why they call am masquerade, na only masquerade now they enter here where everybody they scatter. Now the only masquerade wey be say enter the zoo called Nigeria, wey be say destroy the zoo called Nigeria. No other masquerade don enter. The only masquerade wey be say enter the zoo called Nigeria, wey be say destroy am. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is that masquerade. Ọmadike one of Biafra. I dey call my Edo State brothers. I dey call my Coastal Region brothers. You people should wake up and support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Biafra has come to give us hope again. The future is Biafra. Without Biafra, Nigeria go continue to put us for darkness. Nigeria go continue to put us for darkness. We don tire to live for darkness. We don tire to cross Mediterranean Sea. We don tire to run enter Europe. Our women don tire to do prostitute. Our men don tire to sell drugs. Our boys don tire to fight cultism all over. We don tire. That's why Ọmadike come back and say this time na God himself now said that say the same way when God say Moshe go Egypt tell Pharaoh say let my people go. Now so now God send that God give Nigeria say let Biafra go, and I still dey talk am whether Nigeria like it or not, Biafra must go. Whether Nigeria like it or not, Biafra must go. Why? Because there is no relationship between light and darkness. Nigeria na darkness, Biafra na light. So there is no relationship between light and darkness. So Nigeria cannot hold Biafra. Even as little as candle, if candle enter darkness, darkness no dey hold am. Not to talk about Biafra. Oh hey Biafra, I love my people so much. Nnamdi Kanu, Ọmadike one of Biafra. I still dey say that the masquerade of Biafra. Okay now. Ọmadike one, wherever you are, Ọmadike one, anywhere you dey, wherever you are at this moment, may you live long. May Elohim continue to strengthen you. May Elohim continue to strengthen you. Anybody wey be say dey talk rubbish against you, all those nyama people wey be say that they talk rubbish, same mouth wey be say that they talk rubbish, na the same mouth they go still dey praise you at the end. Na the same mouth na they still dey worship you at the end. Na the same mouth na they still dey thank you at the end. So shall it be In the name of Yeshua, he said. I will tell you. Oh, Madike Biafra. Oh, Madike one of Biafra. I will tell you. I must greet my Isoko people. I must greet my Isoko people. Isoko Wado. Isoko Wado. Isoko Amora Imosi. Odeme Imosi. I'll call my name Moses. You understand? Omorana. Omora betaku wako makugbe. Wako makugbe Biafra vo. Biafra vo. Mako be awi Biafra. Well, olowo tako when we Biafra. Wako be mo Biafra. Mako be mo Biafra. Mako makugbe. Maziekpo. Uyoyo yi ma wi Biafra wo. Uyoyo vo ma wo. Awolonu yi ma jovo olele awona yi. We wolo ra omanu. Iviole. Emo Biafra, emo Isoko iviole. Ma jovo. Mako makugbe. Ma le lozana iviole. O love maybe o love because wawo mi o love mesala iviole. Isoko Wado. Hey. Odogun one is said. Omadike one is said. All those also if you say that they talk to Omadike one, when you say that they talk rubbish, when you say that they insult am, when you say that they talk on nonsense, and they call for una next time. Those also if you say that they talk rubbish, when you say that they talk anyhow to our leader, that they talk anyhow to our leader, and they call for una next time. Now una na be the next one wey be say after they come. Una na be the next one. Una na be the next one. The reason why be say I know they face some people now because they say charity begins at home. So I need to first put my home in order before I come for them. I need to first put my home in order. That's why all the silence of kindness wey be say I dey see. And they come very soon for now. I tell you. Omadike one of Biafra. Anytime they pronounce that name, my man go just dey sweet me. Anytime they pronounce my leader name, my man go just dey sweet me. If they ever dey sweet me pass my name, I don't know why. Anytime they pronounce my leader name, my name you go come be like say my name no even come be name again. Abeg may you live long. The joy wey be say you put for my spirit, the joy wey be say you put for my spirit, may that same joy, what caused that joy, may that thing return back to you. That thing when you take give me joy, may that thing return back to you and empower you. Okay. I dey tell you. I dey tell you. Adiope, one family. I love my Biafra brother so much. I am proud of you all. I am proud to be a Biafra. Back to my roots. Back to my roots. Nobody, even the mama wey born me, he can never take me back to Nigeria. Why? Because light and darkness no dey agree. Obadike one of Biafra. Okay. Yes, my people, I agree to now. Better say, as I did like this, so now movement now I won't move. I'm so happy for you people. And to again, I still they send this message. Go give my Edo State brother. You people should stand up and build Edo State. Stop selling the future of Edo State. The coins that they give you no be money. The coins that they give you no be money. Now change now that they give you. Those people when they give you change and they collect the check they put for your house. Then they give you change, they collect check. You understand? Then they give you change, they collect check. So now the time for we Edo State youth to build Edo State now be this one. And I still tell my coastal region brother, rise up and support Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. Rise up and support Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. Now is the time to go back to our roots. Time to go back to our roots is now. There's no other time again. Now with this generation, now we won't go back. Now we won't go back to that root. Nobody go fit take us. Time to go back to our roots. So I dey call my coastal region brother, you people should wake up and support Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. You people should wake up and support Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. There is nothing that Nigeria will give to you. Fulani can never give you anything. Fulani no fit give you anything. And I still dey tell my people, even Fulani, they no say they no rich. If they wan say man we go run there for that side, we go run there. They no say if we coastal region wake up today, say they say make the country scatter, they no say we fit go north, we go run there no matter. That's why I say that they wan push us say we no be Biafra. So they come my coastal region brother, when we wake up, they no say if we wan run there, say we people our region go north, we go run there. They know the matter, they know the history. So I dey tell my coastal region brother, you people should wake up and support Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. Let us go back home. Biafra is the only hope. Light and darkness can never miss. Nigeria is a darkness. Biafra is a light. And we are Biafras. That's why when the British will come out, they not didn't hand over the country to we. They hand over the country to evil. They put the country to the darkness hands. They put the country to darkness hands. That's why I say the country they don't get like today. So they come my coastal region brother, you people should wake up and support Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. You people should rise up and support Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. We are all Biafrans. I still they let you know Igbo na does their language. Even Delta State today, Delta get Igbo. Delta get Igbo. So Igbo na just language. Igbos are no Biafra. Biafra is a nation and we all are Biafras. We all that came from coastal region, we all are Biafras. So we should rise up and go back to our roots. May we forget oil now. May we take what we want first. Oil na our land today. They no fit take the oil for our hands. If we rise up collect Biafra today, the oil still dey our land. They no fit cut us say make we comot for the land. They craze. Who brought there? If Fulani need to do anything, we will go run there for north. we go run and not be the one that they talk say Boko Haram. Who be Boko Haram? If we enter Boko Haram no go dismiss. If we say make we coastal region enter Boko Haram, who be Boko Haram? When we dey do things small for that place, even army wey be say dem dey come on top of sea, dem dey confirm the matter now. When we dey do things that time, even army wey be say dem dey enter on top of sea, dem dey confirm am. So I dey tell my cousin Yoruba people should wake up. Time to go back to our root. Time to go back to our root. All those also be say that they talk say that they fight for Niger Delta. May all those are park. May all those are park. No be now, no be the reason Niger Delta. Niger Delta don't park since. So at the time I cousin Yoruba people should wake up. Wake up, let's support Biafra. Wake up, let's support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Not only supporting Biafra, let us support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Why? Because most people they talk that they fight for Biafra, but they fight for their pocket. And I want to send one message. All those people wey be say they speak against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, may we stop to dey talk about them. May we stop to dey talk about those people. Why? Because the more we dey talk about those people, the more that they popular. The more we dey talk about this people, the more that they popular. We know those people they not even supposed to do our agenda. Our agenda na Aso Rock, how to bring us come up from inside darkness. I dey send this message give my coastal region brothers. Wake up and support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let us go back to our roots. Nigeria no fit own us. They're too small. We be Nigeria. Even the whole army wey dey Nigeria put together, only Jetta go run all of them. No be say na dey make mad. Only Jetta say go run all the army wey dey Nigeria. If we go combine Edo State join am, come combine Bayelsa, combine Cross River, combine Port Harcourt, combine all Calabar, everybody together. We that came for coastal region, we come combine ourselves together and say we be Nigeria army. How many barrack collect one community? Which state go be say barrack collect one community? See my brother say most stand up, most support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This one is the small message when I cut here give my brothers. See you next time again. I love you all. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. I love you all. I love you all. I love you, and I want to assure you, see, Biafra, don't ready come leave. Come leave. Come leave. That be the meaning of Biafra. So Biafra don't come leave. Biafra don't come leave. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra.